We came back to Floyd County for some epic gravel miles, but Mother Nature had other plans.
Everybody's got a story, front porch truth or backroom light. Word gets around before the sun goes down, the rumors learn how to fly.
So what's up, T1E Nation? And we're back at it. In the last video, we installed the bike rack on the tongue box of my new-to-me camper. So I figured it was time to get out to Floyd and do some gravel cycling and some camping. So, with the camper hooked up, the bike secured in that one-up bike rack, we headed north to Floyd County, Virginia.
Restless child, one wrong word in the whispering game.
So after getting camp set up, I figured it was time to get some food in me. So I fired up the camp stove, heated up a cast iron skillet, and pan-fried me up some buttered gnocchi. I'm gonna top that off with a little bit of red sauce and some Parmesan cheese. After that, it was time to make that campfire and ponder if I made the right choice in the route.
Forever, ain't no love quite that strong. One wrong word in the whispering game.
After a wonderful evening sleeping in that camper, I figured it was time to get up out of bed since the sun had already been up for several hours. It was time to see if that gravel route I chose was going to turn out amazing, or will Mother Nature just rain on my parade?
One wrong word in the whispering game.
If I get wet, I get wet. Well, as I say that, I feel some raindrops.
As you can probably guess by my bad attempt at some foreshadowing, it started raining on me.
One wrong word in the whispering game, and the truth won't come out the same. One wrong word in the whispering game, runs down Maine like a submarine.
It rained so much that I think the cows were even over it.
Little boy, little girl, whatever you are.
County home, you can hide in a town that's small. People talk.
I feel that every road, every turn, and every building in Appalachia has some story to tell. And mine, well, you guessed it, it's still raining.
City line, county home, you can hide in a town that's small. You can hide in a town that's small. You can hide.
Finally, it stopped raining and the sun came out. But I don't know if it rained hard enough. These cows don't look like they went home. Now you guys know I love Floyd County, Virginia, but there's good reason. The county is ranked #1 in the state of Virginia in the most gravel roads per capita, that being about 300 miles of gravel. That's about 1 mile per 52 residents in the county. Well, as I hit my last gravel climb, I was kind of eager to get back to the camper. Just something about a hot shower and a cold beer and maybe some quesadillas. Sounds really, really good. Well, it's our last night here, and I'm just sitting by the fire thinking back on today's ride. It was absolutely epic. Even with that 2-hour downpour we got caught in, it honestly just added to the adventure. Sometimes you have to embrace the rain and keep pedaling. I also have to give a huge shout out to the place we're staying at right now. If you find yourself out here in Floyd County and you need a solid spot to camp, I cannot recommend Crooked Mountain Campground over on Shooting Creek Road enough. This place is simply awesome, great vibes, perfect location, and exactly what you want after a long day in the saddle. As always, thanks for coming along for the ride. If you enjoyed this one, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and drop a comment below letting me know the rainiest ride you've ever survived. Until next time, we'll catch you on the next adventure. Cheers.